A bowl of.
Schüssel.
I always have a bowl of fruit on the kitchen table. Any.
Irgendwelche.
There aren't any books. Armchair.
Sessel.
There's a blue sofa, and 2 old armchairs. Artist.
Künstler, in.
I'm an artist, so there are a lot of my pictures on the walls. Bank.
Bank.
How do I get to the bank? Bathroom.
Badezimmer.
Where's the bathroom? Campsite.
Campingplatz.
Excuse me, is there a campsite near here? Cap.
Mütze.
Jack's cap is on the bed. Car keys.
Autoschlüssel.
Where are his car keys? Car park.
Parkplatz.
The car park is next to the cinema. Chair.
Stuhl.
There's a football on the floor under the chair. Christmas.
Weihnachten.
The best time for a beach holiday in Cape Town is at Christmas. Church.
Kirche.
Turn left at the church. Cinema.
Kino.
The car park is next to the cinema. Coast.
Küste.
Cape Town is on the southwest coast of South Africa. Cooker.
Herd.
There's a cooker in the kitchen. Cosmopolitan.
Kosmopolitisch.
Cape Town is a cosmopolitan city. Desk.
Schreibtisch.
Is there a desk in the bedroom? Drawer.
Schublade.
The credit cards are in the drawer. Everywhere.
Überall.
The MyCT buses are new and fast and go everywhere. Fabulous.
Fantastisch.
You can sunbathe on the fabulous, sandy beaches. Far.
Weit.
Is it far? About 10 minutes. Fast.
Schnell.
The MyCT buses are new and fast and go everywhere. Feel.
Wirken.
My flat feels big. Ferry.
Fähre.
You can take the ferry to Robben Island. Fish and chip shop.
Imbissbude, für Fisch und Pommes.
There's a fish and chip shop next to the newsagents. Floor.
Boden.
There's a football on the floor under the chair. Football stadium.
Fußballstadion.
The football stadium is next to the railway station. Fridge.
Kühlschrank.
There are some photos on the fridge. Fruit.
Obst.
I always have a bowl of fruit on the kitchen table. Garden.
Garten.
Do you have a garden? Garden center.
Gartencenter.
There's a garden center next to the campsite. Hometown.
Heimatstadt.
Chicago is my hometown. Huge.
Riesig.
There's a huge TV on the wall. Ingredient.
Zutat.
The restaurants in Cape Town have the best ingredients. Kitchen.
Küche.
I always have a bowl of fruit on the kitchen table. Kitesurfing.
Kitesurfing.
I go kitesurfing with my brother, Pete. Lamp.
Lampe.
There's a lamp on the bedside table. Laptop.
Laptop.
My laptop is on the kitchen table. Left.
Links.
Turn left into High Street. Living room.
Wohnzimmer.
There's a sofa in the living room. Magazine.
Zeitschrift.
There are some sports magazines on the floor next to his bed. Minute.
Minute.
Is it far? About 10 minutes. More.
Weitere.
There are Italian and French restaurants, and many more too. Mountain.
Berg.
It's a famous mountain. Newsagents.
Kiosk.
There's a fish and chip shop next to the newsagents. Next to.
Neben.
The car park is next to the cinema. Nightlife.
Nachtleben.
Cape Town has a lot of exciting nightlife. Pen.
Kugelschreiber.
There's a pen on the desk. Penguins.
Pinguine.
You can swim with the friendly penguins. Pet.
Haustier.
Does Ben have a pet? PlayStation.
PlayStation.
There's a PlayStation in my bedroom. Picture.
Bild.
I'm an artist, so there are a lot of my pictures on the walls. Poster.
Poster.
There are a lot of posters of David Bowie. Pub.
Gaststätte.
Go out of the pub and turn right. Right.
Rechts.
Turn right into Station Road. Room.
Zimmer.
There are 7 rooms in my house. Round.
There
are 4 chairs round the table. Sandy.
Sandig.
You can sunbathe on the fabulous, sandy beaches. Sea.
Meer.
It's by the sea, so there is a lot of delicious fresh seafood. Seafood.
Meeresfrüchte.
It's by the sea, so there is a lot of delicious fresh seafood. Sign.
Schild.
The sign says turn right. Slow.
Langsam.
The Metrorail train is slow and sometimes late. Sofa.
Sofa.
There's a blue sofa, and 2 old armchairs. Some.
Einige.
There are some sports magazines on the floor next to his bed. Southwest.
Südwest.
Cape Town is on the southwest coast of South Africa. Souvenir shop.
Souvenirladen.
The souvenir shop is expensive. Spectacular.
Spektakulär.
Table Mountain is spectacular. Square.
Platz.
It's beautiful old square near the Seaview Hotel. Straight on.
Geradeaus.
Go straight on and it's on the left next to the church. Study.
Arbeitszimmer.
My living room is my study too. Sunbathe.
Sonnenbaden.
You can sunbathe on the fabulous, sandy beaches. Sunbathing.
Sonnenbaden.
Does Ben like sunbathing? Sunny.
Sonnig.
The weather is warm and sunny most of the year. Surf school.
Surfschule.
The surf school is next to the beach. Table.
Tisch.
I always have a bowl of fruit on the kitchen table. Take.
Nehmen.
You can take the ferry to Robben Island. Theater.
Theater.
Cape Town has bars, clubs, cinemas and theaters. Tidy.
Aufgeräumt.
My house isn't very tidy but I think it's great. Toilet.
Toilette.
There are 2 toilets in my house. Trainers.
Sportschuhe.
His trainers are under the bed. Turn.
Abbiegen.
The sign says turn right. TV.
Fernseher.
Is there a TV in your bedroom? Under.
Unter.
His trainers are under the bed. Vegetable.
Gemüse.
There is a lot of fresh fruit and vegetables. Vineyard.
Weinberg.
Cape Town has some excellent vineyards. Wall.
Wand.
I'm an artist, so there are a lot of my pictures on the walls. Warm.
Warm.
The weather is warm and sunny most of the year. Wind.
Wind.
Some people don't like the wind, but I love it. Wonder.
Wunder.
Table Mountain is one of the 7 wonders of nature.